Hello. So I'm getting ready to film a video on a subscriber question, and they were basically asking me, like, how do I prioritize YouTube and being a small business owner? Like, how do I prioritize everything? How do I get things done? There's only so many hours in the day. I think the first thing you need to do is it a priority? Because I think a lot of times we want to do things, but we don't actually commit in terms of, is this actually something that's important to me? Is it an actual priority to you? If you want to build a YouTube channel, if you want to build a business, if you want to do really anything that takes significant time and effort, what is your reason? So before we talk about priorities, I really think that you should ask yourself, if you're asking me how to prioritize building a YouTube channel, do you actually want to build a YouTube channel? Or what is the reason actually for what you're doing? So that's just my quick take. Check out the full video, but that's just my question to start off with. Why are you even doing it? Bye.